Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy eSIM with Airalo and activate it. First, open the Airalo app on your Android device. Then, tap on the next a few times to go through the welcome screens. Now, tap on Start Now. Next, select the country where you want to use the eSIM. Here, you'll see different data plans with prices. Scroll down and check all the available offers and packages. Once you find the one you like, tap on Buy Now. Now, review the package details like data amount, validity, and price. Then, tap on Buy Now again and continue. Here, sign in by entering your first name, last name, email, and password. You can also choose to continue with your Google account and just select your Google profile. Then, choose your payment method like PayPal, Alipay, or others and complete your purchase. After payment, the app will show your steps to install and activate the eSIM. Just follow the on-screen instructions and your eSIM will be ready to use. Make sure your device supports eSIM and is connected to Wi-Fi during setup. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.